Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so yesterday's class we have studied about some of the drugs, like the drug which is obtained from the opium, and then we have studied about those that is the charas, ganja, hashish, marijuana, and all, and their centers in our body, where their centers are found, so that they can show their impact on our body and what are their possible impacts and what kind of feelings they generate because of which these people are taking this kind of drugs that we have studied. Okay. Now today we are going to study rather common type of addictive substances like smoking. Now the smoking, as you know, it is one of the biggest malpractice which is taking place around us. The people are indulged into smoking, and you will find them smoking cigarette and beedies and what you call hookah and all. Not only that, the tobacco is also used in the form of chewing tobacco, and it is form of snorting tobacco, and it is also used in many other forms. Okay. Tobacco, see, it is written tobacco has been used by human being for more than 400 years. So it is not a very old also, but it's in use, and tobacco is used in the many different forms. Okay? It is smoked, it is chewed, and it is snuffed. The tobacco contains large number of chemical substances, including nicotine. And the nicotine is a very harmful substance. You know, the nicotine extracted, purified nicotine extracted from 3 cigarettes, if injected into one person, he will definitely die. It is so dangerous. But of course, when a person is smoking, most of the nicotine is burned, it is converted into carbon dioxide and other, so it is not as that harmful. It is not, that is why people are sustaining with the smoking. If it is purified and it is inhaled, then gone the case. Okay? Beside tobacco, beside nicotine, tobacco also contains alkaloid. Nicotine stimulates adrenal gland and release adrenaline and noradrenaline. You know, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline is a hormone which is associated with the energy, which is associated with the emergency. We know that whenever we are in emergency, whenever we are in trouble, whenever we are in case of dilemma, immediately adrenaline is secreted from adrenal gland, and it is preventing us, because it is diverting the blood supply from the smooth muscles to skeletal muscles. Okay? And that is one of the reasons that the labor class people indulge into this type of things, so they get that हमको एनर्जी आई है, बट इट इज़ एक्चुअली नॉट सो. हाउ मच बीडी is so small, how much nicotine it can, how much this thing adrenaline it can release. Now into the blood circulation, both these raise the blood pressure and increases the heart rate. Smoking is associated with the increased incidence of cancer. Now it is one of the most harmful effect of the smoking is cancer, and it is on every packet of beedi or cigarette or tobacco, jarda, gutka, pan masala and all, everywhere it is clearly mentioned that it causes cancer. In spite of that, people are just ignorant and they have this. Again, so it causes the cancer of lungs, cancer of urinary bladder and throat, bronchitis, emphysema, coronary artery disease, gastric ulcer, etc. So many harmful effects. And it is not that the tobacco, the smoking, the one who is smoking, he himself will get affected. Even those people who are standing around him, the family members, the wife, the children, the newly born infants, they all are, and the old people, plus the pet animals. Whoever they are in the house, those who are passively inhaling, they are also in a risk of all these type of bad effects. A number of times when the cancer is caused into the dadi amma, or it is caused to the newly born child, or when it is caused to a small child, people say, sir, इसने क्या किया होगा सर, इसने तो कभी सब सिगरेट स्मोक भी नहीं की है. But you see that effect must have come from any elder person who is doing. number of time जो है people what they do, they are indulged into this type of habit, but they can't have smoking at home. So what they do, they take small children कि इसको घुमाने ले जा रहा हूँ करके, and they go out and they smoke and come back, and during all that course the small child is in the with the person, and whenever he is smoking the child is passively inhaling all these things. So the impact is very dangerous. Okay, so again, tobacco chewing is associated with the increased risk of the cancer of oral cavity. Smoking increases carbon monoxide content in the blood and reduces the concentration of hemoglobin heme-bound oxygen. And that is one of the reasons that the people who are indulged in smoking, they get short of breath. They can't run or they can't do any heavy physical activities. Active smoking is also causing emphysema, as it is mentioned here. Emphysema is due to the what you call burning of the epithelial muscles of the alveoli, and when the alveolar muscles damages, their contraction and relaxation and their exchange of gases and all those activities are adversely affected. So they do not get enough of oxygen in their blood. Carbon dioxide amount goes on increasing, and carbon monoxide, as you know, it is a 9 times more affinity than the oxygen to the hemoglobin, and it forms a permanent bond with the RBC. So that is why once the carbon monoxide comes in contact with the hemoglobin, it will permanently out for oxygen transport. Okay, it cannot be used for that purpose. So the effect of smoking, dangerous effect of smoking is too much. Okay. The cause of oxygen deficiency in the body. Okay, when one buy a packet of cigarette, one cannot miss the statutory warning that it is present on the packaging that warn against smoking, says how it is injurious to it. Yes, smoking is very prevalent in society, both among the young and the old. Okay, because it is cheap, it is easily available, and it can be consumed easily, and it is not a very bad, it is not as bad considered as drugs and alcohol, and that is why smoking is very common. Okay, elder people who generally are not checked by others, they are easily, so you find them smoking on any corner, any roadside, anywhere you will find them smoking, which is not good. However, in the past few years, the people have become more responsible, and now no smoking zones and no smoking flight and this thing, places are made where the smoking is completely inhibited. Okay, now yes, smoking is very prevalent in the society, both among young and old. Knowing that the danger of the smoking and chewing tobacco, it is addictive nature, the youth need to avoid these habits. Any addict require counseling and medical help to get rid of the habit. Next is adolescence and the alcohol abuse. Adolescence क्या होती है? It is a phase in which you all people are. It is a phase which connects the childhood to the adulthood. It is actually as a transformation phase. Okay? So it is mentioned here that adolescence means a period and a process. It is a period and it is a process. Period टाइम है 12 साल से 18 साल के बीच का. Process during which several changes are taking place in our body, physical changes, hormonal changes, emotional changes, and it is also a phase in which people are indulged into the various type of experimentation. They just want to know more about the things. अरे ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why elders are smoking? Why can't we smoke? बच्चों को क्यों मना करते हैं? खुद क्यों पीते हैं? And all. So these people have a curiosity, and out of curiosity they start doing so many things. Okay, so the period between 12 to 18 years of age may be thought as a adolescence period. In other words, adolescence is a bridge linking the childhood to the adulthood. Adolescence is accompanied by the several biological behavioral changes. एक छोटे बच्चे को ना 10 बार डांट दीजिए और 11वीं बार वापस आपके पास आ जाएगा. ठीक है, Anytime you will find that the children are playing outside and you just chase them away, next day they will again come. And again they will come, bhaiya, bhaiya, uncle, uncle, they will come. But if you will say anything to a child of 18 years, 15 years, उसको एक बार डांट दीजिए आप. It may be possible that they may cause a severe damage to your property. Why? Because they are in that phase where they cannot tolerate it. है ना? तो उनका आदत अब चेंज हो गया है, वो इमोशनल बन गए हैं. छोटे बच्चे में कोई इमोशन नहीं है, नेगेटिव इमोशन नहीं है, पॉजिटिव इमोशन है. देयर लव इज देयर, अफेक्शन इज देयर, बट दे डू नॉट हैव रिवेंज एंड रेज एंड दैट टाइप ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. Okay, so that is a very important thing. Yeah, curiosity need for the adventure and excitement and experimentation constitute common cause which motivate youngster toward the drug and alcohol use. समझ गए ना? क्यूरियोसिटी, नीड ऑफ एडवेंचर, नया कुछ करते हैं, एक्साइटमेंट, बहुत इच्छा हो रही है ऐसा करने के लिए, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन करके देखते हैं क्या होता है. वाई एनीवन कैन से एनीथिंग, कोई भी कह सकता है अरे बहुत कड़वी होती है दारू, या अरे यार खांसी आती है ये वो, बट फिर भी अ पर्सन विल ट्राई टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड सी. अ चाइल्ड्स नेचर ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी मोटिवेट हिम और हर टू एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड दिस इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड फर्दर बाय effects that might be prevented as benefit of alcohol or drug use. Thus, the first use of the drug and alcohol may be out of curiosity and experimentation. सबसे पहले तो वो इससे ही कर रहा है, ठीक है. But later the child start using these to escape facing problems. Very important, to escape facing problem. ठीक है, परफॉर्मेंस खराब हो रही है, चलो दौड़ नहीं पाया, अच्छा नहीं तो ये कर लो, सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ टीम में तो अगेन डू दिस. ठीक है, तो ऑफ लेट स्ट्रेस एंड द प्रेशर फ्रॉम द टू एक्सेल इन एकेडमिक्स or examination has played a significant role in persuading the youngster to try alcohol and drug. As we see in most of the movies, we are seeing this type of activities only. A person is not done well. What was that movie recently that came? Kabir. कौन था कबीर? I think so. क्या कहते हैं, मॉडल्स दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग टू पीपल. ठीक है, तो यू सी एनी टाइम दे लूजेस मैच एंड ऑल, दे गो एंड हैव अल्कोहल और स्मोक सिगरेट एंड ऑल, एंड दिस इज लीडिंग द यंगस्टर्स ऑल्सो इन टू द ट्रैप ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. दे थिंक इट इज समथिंग गुड. The perception among the youth that it is cool or progressive to smoke and use the drug and alcohol, it is also a major cause of the youth to start these habits. Television, movies, newspaper, internet also promote the perception. Yesterday I said everyone has got some of the idol, ठीक है, एंड सिंस देयर आइडल द पर्सन जिसको वो अच्छा समझते हैं, मे बी आमिर खान और शाहरुख खान और अमिताभ बच्चन और वॉट एवर, ठीक है, एंड इफ दे फाइंड देम डूइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इनवेरिएबली दे ऑल्सो स्टार्ट. ठीक है, दे थिंक इट इज़ कूल, दे थिंक दे आर सिंपली कॉपीइंग इट. They think that the way they presented in the newspaper, in the movies, that was very cool, that was so good, so they also start doing that. Especially the people who don't have too much of other things to show, they are indulged into this type of thing. Other factors that have been seem to be associated with the drug and alcohol abuse among the adolescents are unstable and unsupportive family structure and peer pressure. Very important. Where the family people are not paying attention, where the elders are not paying attention on the child's performance, on the child's program and all, where the parents do not have even time to ask, how are you doing beta, do you need something, or what to do and what not to do. The parents don't have time for their children. Then the children go among their friend circle, and in the friend circle they start indulging into these activities. It is said adolescence is the time when the parent has to put more time to the children. They should constantly ask them how the things are going on, beta. Do you find any type of problem? Should I do anything, or should I make arrangement for you? Or on the other hand, we will find just opposite thing. No sooner a child says, Papa, I am finding this, why it is though, I am putting you, I have given you tuition, this and that, and so much of money I am spending and all. This is not the way. The parents, the children will speak to parent only. Where else he will go? And if the parents are ignorant, if the parents are unsupportive, if the families are broken families, all these problems starts. Peer pressure, where a child's ability is not enough and yet the parents want कि तेरे को IIT करनी ही है. We find in Kota so many people are coming from outside. The parents has taken loan, used loan to pay the fees. And they are in every letter or every phone call, they are simply asking, beta मैंने इतना लोन लिया है तेरी पढ़ाई के लिए, you have to excel, you have to excel. Whereas the child's ability is not there, how will he or she will excel? Then they indulge into these activities. They start avoiding the phone call from the parents or families. They don't write letter. Okay? So all these type of things which we find, that is all are because of the. Next is addiction and dependence. There are two different words, addiction and dependence. What addiction means and what dependence means, a very important question. This had come last year in the board exams. What is dependence? Okay? So let us see. Because of the perceived benefit, drugs are frequently used repeatedly. The most important thing which one failed to realize that inherent addictive nature of alcohol and drug. Alcohol and drug have got inherited addictive nature. Once the person start taking it, the body start becoming dependent on them. बॉडी को उसके ऊपर निर्भरता पड़ जाती है. बॉडी फील्स गुड एंड व्हेन दोज थिंग्स आर नॉट गिवन देन द बॉडी फील अनकंफर्टेबल. एडिक्शन की डेफिनेशन देख लीजिए आप, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एडिक्शन is a psychological attachment to a certain effect such as euphoria or temporary feeling of well-being associated with drugs and alcohol. Psychological, मानसिक, ऐसा लग रहा है because of the taking of alcohol I was good, or when I smoke I feel good, or when I take drug I feel good. It is the psychological dependence. Attachment, not dependence, it is attachment. One may feel, the one who indulges in smoking, he will feel, अरे बहुत देर हो गई, I have not smoked, चलो let me have a cigarette and come. ठीक है? तो that is a psychological attachment. तो these drive people to take them when these are not needed, even when they are not needed. But वो psychologically हो गया. As it happens now, at a certain time we all, that is if you are eating food every day at 2 o'clock and the lunch, every day 2 o'clock will automatically feel hungry. Even though you may have 1 o'clock or at 12 o'clock you may have some party, then also 2 o'clock you will feel hungry. Because your body's attachment is there. Again, a clock is there. So even when their use becomes self-destructive, when somebody start taking drugs, then it may be self-destructive. In spite of that, the person forget, avoid, overlook all those things, and he starts taking this. The tolerant level of receptor present in our body increases as with the repeated use of the drugs and alcohol. The tolerant level, अगर कोई पहले सिगरेट पीता, in the beginning he one cigarette in a day was more than enough, then 2, 3, 4, then slowly it become every hour, then a time will come he will become chain smoker. Those who are in alcohol use, First they used to take one peg, that's more than enough. Then slowly and slowly the level increases, tolerance level. Then वो 1 का 1.5 हो जाता है, 2 हो जाता है, and then goes on increasing. So the tolerance level, our body's tolerance level, that goes on increasing, and people then don't feel satisfied with that particular dose, and they go for the higher dose. Again, consequently the receptor respond only to the higher doses of the drug and alcohol, leading to the greater intake of addiction. However, it should be clearly borne in mind that the use of these drugs even can be forerunner to the addiction. Thus, the addictive potential of the drug and alcohol pull the user into the vicious circle of leading to their regular use or abuse. They themselves will look for those people who are using them, ढूंढ लेते हैं वो और उसी के अंदर जाएंगे वो, ठीक है. Vicious circle of leading to their regular use, from which he or she may not be able to get out. Absence of any guidance or counseling, the person get addicted and become dependent on the use. अब dependent की definition सुनिए. Dependence is the tendency of the body to manifest the characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. Unpleasant withdrawal syndrome. That is, he becomes so much addicted that if he or she is not getting the required dose at the required time, he feel very uncomfortable. Very uncomfortable means he or she may even cause damage to themselves. ठीक है, तो क्या लिखा है देखिए, इफ रेगुलर डोज ऑफ द ड्रग और अल्कोहल इज abruptly discontinued, that is if he or she is not getting that dose, the characterized by anxiety, shakiness, nausea, sweating, and which may even relieved when they use and resume. In some of the cases, the withdrawal symptoms can be severe and even life-threatening. The person can kill himself. That is what happened with this smack cheese. You might have seen there are so many people who are taking smack, and if they don't get smack, then they may even cause damage to their own body. Police भी नहीं पकड़ती उन्हें, because if they are taken to the police station and when their required dose time comes, they are so much of dependent on that they scream like anything, they shout like anything, they hit their head onto the wall, and they may even die. And suppose somebody die in the police custody, then it become a very big issue, and that is why police also just chase them away. Okay? What to do? Now dependence level is increased so much that it becomes life-threatening. Dependent leads the patient to ignore all social norms in order to get sufficient fund to satiate his or her need, and this result many social adjustment problems. When someone has become dependent, he or she need money to buy his next dose. Now where the money will come from? So first they start begging, borrowing money to the others. They'll give you very different picture. और बच्चे की फीस जमा करनी है, my child is sick, or my mother-in-law has to undergo an operation, this and that. They will have so beautifully, they will create a story that you will have no doubt, and you will simply give money. And they'll say after this many days I'll give. When you go to ask for the return of money, they will never return. Rather, they will show all sort of abuse and all. This is the time people start staying away from such people. Children's fees money, uniform money, or any other examination fees, all these money will be going to this type of drug and all, and the family will be cut off. Nobody will want to keep any social relation with such families. Okay? And then the family undergoes a severe social problems. Okay, now let us see effect of the drug and alcohol use. We'll see both, that is the social as well as the body's effect. The immediate adverse effect of the drug and alcohol abuse is manifested in the form of reckless behavior, झगड़ा करने की बात बात में, vandalism, लड़ना झगड़ना, violence. Excessive dose of the drug may even lead to coma and death due to respiratory failure. You can see the picture is very dangerous. ठीक है, a combination of drug, यहाँ पे लिखा है, that is heart failure and even cerebral hemorrhage. Then number of people are not satisfied with one single drug, then they take a combination of drug. They have alcohol as well as they have smoking also, they have alcohol as well as they have the other drugs also. So a combination of the drug or their intake along with alcohol generally results in the overdosing and even death. Okay? When the combination of is taken. Most common warning sign of the drug and alcohol abuse among the youth include what a common sign can be seen is, that is a drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from the school and colleges, lack of interest in personal hygiene, नहाना धोना नहीं, बाल कहाँ जा रहे हैं ना, ठीक है, no personal, no wearing of clean clothes and all, withdrawal, ठीक है, they will not like to come in the community or they will not come in the group and all, friend circle वगैरह सबसे अलग हो जाएंगे, isolate हो जाएंगे, depression दबा दबा से, fatigue, ठीक है, aggressiveness, rebellious behavior and deteriorating relationship with their families and friends. Loss of interest in hobbies, the hobbies which you used to have, maybe games, maybe collection, maybe singing, maybe variety of other collection and all those hobbies he'll start losing. Change in sleeping pattern and eating pattern, fluctuation in the weight and appetite, etc. So you can see, if you find such warning sign among your friend, सोच लीजिए कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, there is something wrong, and then it is the time to keep a check on him. ठीक है, it is the time one should inform the teachers and the family people. There may be even far-reaching application of the drug and alcohol abuse, as abuser is unable to get money to buy drugs and alcohol, he may turn stealing, चोरी करने लगेगा, stealing, ठीक है, and the adverse effects are not just restricted to the person who is using drug or alcohol. At times the drug and alcohol addict become a cause of mental and financial distress to his entire family and friends. The children also feel ashamed because the others start making fun of them. Your father is so alcoholic, your mother so is this, or you can't afford to buy this, or you are not able to pay fees also because तुम्हारे पापा तुम्हारे पैसे के दारू पी गए, and on so many different type of things. So the others also stop going to school. The children also feel ashamed. It is a distress to the family. Okay. Now those who take drug intravenously, they have another danger, that is AIDS and other diseases. Direct injection into the vein using needle or syringe are much more likely to acquire serious infection like AIDS and hepatitis B. Okay. The viruses which are responsible for disease are transformed from one person to another by sharing of injections, syringes. Again, both AIDS and hepatitis B are chronic. Once it is come, then it can never be cured. So that is why the use of intravenous drugs are all the more dangerous. Okay, that's all for today. I am finding it difficult now to continue. Thank you, children.